how to add a logo on GoDaddy easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add a logo on GoDaddy website. So let's get started. First, you will go to godaddy.com and you will get right here. You're going to open up your website builder where you are creating your website. So this is a website that I'm creating on GoDaddy and I want to upload a logo right here. So once you have selected a template and you're working on a website, you will get your site name right here at the top corner of your page. So this is our home page and we have our header. So inside our header, we have our text, our website title. You're going to click on it and select it. Once you do that, it will open up the settings for you, which is the website header, and then you can go to the logo. It will show you the text and it says this is the name for my website and I can change this font or use this text as a logo. Then we have upload logo option right here at the bottom. So I'm going to click on upload a logo. Now we're going to upload the image. You can create a logo for free as well. You can upload a logo from your computer or select a stock image. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and click on upload and select an image from my computer. Once you select the image, you're going to click on insert and the image will be added. You can see this is how the logo looks. You can of course create a professional logo and then upload. It is going to be a small image, but you can zoom in and zoom out accordingly. This is going to be the size and you can decrease it. So I'm going to actually make it a bit smaller. Let's see how it looks. Okay, let's make it a little bit more small. Okay, so this size is, I think, looking good for the logo. This is how we add a logo. Click on done. It will be added. You can see. So this is how you add a logo on GoDaddy. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.